in the end, it's about cost, right? Are we in Europe cost competitive with the production of our batteries? And if we are, there will be demand, right, from our local manufacturers of OEMs, right? Currently, we are not cost competitive, right? So, which is why you're seeing most of the batteries being manufactured in Asia.
We feel that the companies in this sector are a bit a victim of a geopolitical game which is being played between China and Europe.
I think Europe is doing a very good job in terms of cycling infrastructure in general, especially with the new the cycling declaration. And a lot of funding is going into the cycling infrastructure, which I think is essential to really promote the uptake of light electric vehicles. However, when it comes to charging, it's a different story.
Well, how usually, what the threshold is when batteries come back to recycling is when they have roughly 80% of their health left, right? If you were to open those up, you could probably find, just over half of the cells that are actually not actually quite fine, and the rest you'd have to discard.
Privately owned vehicles will still increase a lot. But as more types of vehicles will come on the market, people will want to have different types of vehicles. So not only a scooter, but maybe also a cargo bike to take the kids to school, and so on and so on.
The point here is, without clear regulations or even recognition at the regulatory level, we are not going to be able to, we're just generating several barriers for the adoption of these vehicles. Really, without regulations, it's not really possible to move forward here.
Europe has imposed all these very rigid requirements, but it makes no sense if then at the same time you allow whatever bad products to come on the market, which is sometimes currently the case, and there's not a lot of surveillance on that.